Hello children, how are you all? Fine? That's great. Okay, so today we have art and craft class. So in our art and craft class, we are going to do leaf painting. Okay, leaf printing. Okay, so you have to collect different shaped leaves from outside the house and you can use the acrylic color and you can paint it. Okay children, so enjoy this activity and don't forget to photograph it and send to me. Okay, and in English we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is smaller case Y. Not only that, we are going to learn more words starting with the alphabet smaller case Y and the phonetic sound also. Okay, and in EVS, we are going to learn about fruit plantation. Okay, what is fruit plantation? So, we will learn about how we can plant a fruit and how we will get fruits from our home itself. Okay, and what is the rhymes we are going to revise today? It is hot cross buns. Okay, hot cross buns. And what is the fun activity? So today you are going to plant a fruit. Okay children, so that you will get fruits from that plant. Okay, that will be the fun activity. Okay, come let us practice the rhymes. Hot cross buns. Are you all ready children? Okay. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. If you have no sons, give them to your daughters. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. If you have no sons, give them to your daughters. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. Okay children, practice these rhymes nicely and video record it and send to me. So today we are going to do the leaf printing activity. See, for leaf printing activity, I am using different shaped leaves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shaped leaves. Okay, each and every leaf is in a different shape. Okay, so using this 2 colored paints. See, I am going to use 2 colors, yellow and green. Okay, so one by one we will color this. Okay. So first you have to apply the color to that leaf. Okay, so after that you can print it. So now the color is applied, so I am going to print this leaf. So keep it and you can slightly tap it. Okay, just slightly tap the leaf from the back side. So now I am going to remove this leaf. See how nice this print came, is it not? And next one is yellow color. Okay, so next I am going to use a different leaf. This is the plant of money plant. This is the leaf of money plant. Okay children, so now I am going to paste this, tap gently from the back side. Okay, and after that you can remove this. See how nice this looks, is it not? And now next I am going to use this leaf. So I am going to apply the color on this leaves. You have to apply the colors on the leaf like this. Okay, first you have to apply the color on the leaf, and then after that you have to turn it and keep it, and you have to gently tap, gently. Okay, slightly you have to touch. Yes, that's all. And slowly you have to remove this. Yes, see how nice this looks, is it not? And next is another leaf. So for this one I am going to apply yellow color. Okay, so now I am going to print. So for printing we have to keep like this and gently touch it, and after some time slowly remove it. See how nice it came out. And the next one is different, another leaf. Okay, this is a leaf of a rose plant. So I am going to apply the paint, acrylic color on the leaf, and then now I am going to paste this leaf. Okay, leave it for some time, and after that you can remove it slowly. See now how nice it looks, is it not? And the last one is this crotons. Okay, and for this also I am going to apply the paint on it, and after that we will paste it. Okay, now I am going to paste this. So just keep it slowly and then tap like this, just tap gently and leave for a minute, and after that you can remove this. See how nice it looks, is it not? So if you want to do more you can do it with the same leaves. Okay, see how nice this looks. Yes, So I am going to use this another leaf. Tap it nicely and then remove it carefully. Okay, see how nice this looks now, is it not? So do it nicely, okay children? So today we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is smaller case Y. So this is smaller case Y, and before coloring you should finger trace the letter, okay, slanting line and a small slanting line. This is a very easiest alphabet, okay children. This is small Y. What is this? This is yo-yo. Yo-yo, this is a toy, okay. And what is this? This is yam. Y for yo-yo, Y for yam. And what is this? This is yak. Y for yak. Okay. So now I am going to color this alphabet with red color. So you have to color inside this alphabet. This is smaller case Y. Okay. Smaller case Y. And you have to identify these pictures. This is yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Y for yam. Y for yak. Okay children. So what is the phonetic sound for the alphabet Y? It is y. It is y. Y. Okay. So what is this? This is capital Y and this is small y. Okay. So now I am going to trace this capital Y, and after that I am going to trace this small y. So for small y you have to start from the second line. This is first line and this is second line. Okay. A big slanting line and a small slanting line. So this is the small y. A big slanting line and a small slanting line. Okay. And now next we are going to trace the letter Y. Okay. So we are going to trace this letter Y. So you have to start from the second line. Okay. Slanting line and a slanting line. Slanting line and a slanting line. Slanting line and a slanting line. Y for yarn. Okay, what is this? This is yarn. Yarn, woolen thread. Slanting line and a slanting line. Write slowly and hold the pencil correctly. Okay. Slanting line. Slanting line and slanting line. Okay. So you have to write till the end of the page, and after that you have to write this letter smaller case Y using these dots. So this is also very easy. So from here you have to draw a line using these 3 dots, and after that a small slanting line. Slanting line and a slanting line. This is small y. Slanting line and a slanting line. 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 So write slowly. So you have to finish till the end of the page. Okay children, do it nicely. So in EVS, today we are going to learn something about how to plant a fruit. Okay, we all love to eat fruits, is it not? So what is your favorite fruit? You have to tell me. Okay children, so everybody likes to eat fruits. So normally we will purchase fruits from the market, from the shops. Is it not? So we will go to shop and we have to pay money to get some fruits. Is it not? So, but if we have that fruit tree or fruit plant in our house, how it will be? It will be very nice. Is it not? So we will be having our favorite fruit in our house itself. But you have to grow that plant or tree by watering it daily, and you should take care of that plant and tree. Okay children, so I will give you small ideas, small tips, okay, so that you can follow it and you can grow fruits at your home itself. Okay, so one of that fruit is papaya. You all know what is papaya, is it not? So everybody loves to eat papaya, and if you cut the papaya fruit, you will be having black seeds inside that. Is it not? Black seeds inside that. You have to collect all those seeds in a bowl and keep it for 2 days. Let it get dried. Okay. So after getting dried, that seeds can be used for plantation. Okay. So how you should plant? You have to put those seeds inside the soil or mud. Okay. Put some mud inside a pot and dig some hole. Okay. A small hole, and put those seeds inside that hole and cover it with the mud and water it daily. Okay. So after 2 weeks you will be seeing small plants growing from that papaya seed. Okay children. So those trees can be planted in the soil directly also. And not only that, like that there are many fruits which we can plant in our home itself. So try this papaya tree, and you can plant this fruit, and you can get fruits from your home itself. Okay, you should try it and photograph it and send to me. Okay.